Hey guys, today I'll be making mashed potatoes with skin in the Instant Pot. It's super easy and easy to clean up, so let's get started. So what I'll be using is about 8 large white potatoes. Make sure to wash them well. Half a cup of milk, some salt to taste, half a cup of water, and my Instant Pot. So here I have cut the potatoes into large pieces and added them into the Instant Pot. Then I'm going to add the milk, and the water. Then I'm going to cover the Instant Pot and set the valve on sealing. Now I'm going to set the Instant Pot to high pressure for 10 minutes. Once the 10 minutes are up, I will let it sit for about 5 minutes. And then give it a quick release. Once the pin is dropped, it is safe to open the pot. Now I'll add the salt. Make sure not to turn off the pot and leave it on the warmer setting. Now I'll mash the potatoes until it's the perfect consistency. And there you have it. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe and share my video.